How I created a $10,000 per month faceless YouTube channel using free AI tools. Most people think YouTube is a personality contest. They believe you need a perfect smile, a $3,000 camera, and the charisma of a late-night host to win. That belief alone has stopped thousands of people from ever starting. Here's the truth. Some of the most profitable channels on YouTube don't show a face. They don't record their own voice. Some of them are run by one person with a laptop and Wi-Fi. And if you think you're too late to start, stick around, because the window for this is bigger than you think. 6 months ago, my faceless channel didn't exist. Today, it generates over $10,000 per month. Not because I'm special, not because I cracked some secret algorithm code, but because I followed a specific workflow and used free AI tools strategically. It always begins with one decision that most people get wrong: the niche. Beginners choose based on passion alone. That sounds romantic, but if the goal is $10,000 a month, you need more than passion. You need advertiser demand and audience retention. That's where CPM comes in. Cost per mil. What advertisers pay per 1,000 views. I chose the motivational and philosophical niche. Why? Because self-improvement is global. It's evergreen. And advertisers in this space, companies like Headspace, BetterHelp, and Masterclass, are willing to pay premium rates to reach viewers who care about growth and clarity. Once the niche was locked in, branding came next. Not overthinking. Not weeks of brainstorming. I asked ChatGPT to generate channel names that felt ancient yet modern. Something authoritative. Then I used Leonardo AI to generate a hyper-realistic image of a wise Zen monk in cinematic lighting. Within minutes, I had a profile picture that felt like a Netflix documentary thumbnail. And that leads to the first major principle: perceived authority. If your channel looks premium, viewers assume the content is premium before they even press play. That first impression counts more than you realize. Now we move to the core of a faceless channel: the script. Without a personality on camera, the script becomes everything. It's not filler, it's the engine. Most people type, "write a video about success," and wonder why it sounds robotic. Instead, I reverse engineer the demand. I study high-performing videos from channels like Daily Stoic and Wisdom Nuggets. If a topic like "why you should be alone" has millions of views, that tells me the market is hungry for it. Static images alone aren't enough to maintain engagement. YouTube's algorithm favors motion, and viewers subconsciously respond to subtle changes in visuals. That's where animation comes in. I use Pixverse AI to turn static images into short video clips, anywhere from 4 to 10 seconds long. The AI can add movement to the scene. The wind rustling leaves, fog drifting across a valley, or a slow cinematic zoom toward a mountain peak. Even these small touches make a massive difference in watch time, keeping the viewer invested in what comes next. There's a small watermark on the free version of Pixverse, but I found a simple workaround. Slightly overscale the images before uploading and crop the final footage in my editor. The watermark disappears, leaving polished 4K clips ready for assembly. Little hacks like this make your content feel premium without spending a dime. With visuals and audio ready, editing is where everything finally comes together. I use CapCut, a free but powerful editor, starting with the voiceover and then layering cinematic background music from royalty-free libraries like Pixabay. Music isn't just filler. It sets the emotional rhythm and helps the visuals flow naturally. Every 3 to 5 seconds, I make a subtle change. A new AI-generated clip, a slow zoom, or a gentle fade. These small shifts keep viewers engaged without overwhelming them. Transitions are simple and smooth. No flashy glitches or abrupt cuts that would break the calm, meditative tone. Captions are just as important, especially for viewers watching on mobile with the sound off. I use CapCut's auto caption tool with a clean, legible font and a subtle glow, so the eyes stay on the message, not the interface. Once the video feels polished, the thumbnail becomes the next focus. It's often the difference between a click and a scroll. I keep it simple. One strong AI-generated image and no more than 3 words. Forget bright arrows, emoji faces, or busy text. Clean, clear, and intriguing is all you need to make people stop and watch. The image and words alone should communicate the value of the video while sparking curiosity. For example, a video about solitude might feature a lone mountain under dawn light with the title, "The Power of Silence." minimal, high contrast, and visually compelling. Tags are generated using rapidtags.io, which provides 50 relevant keywords based on the title, ensuring that the video is discoverable by the right audience. This ensures YouTube knows exactly who to show your content to. The real breakthrough in monetization comes from pairing YouTube revenue with affiliate marketing. Relying solely on AdSense is slow. Even with a high CPM, reaching $10,000 a month could take a year. This is the secret most creators ignore. Small channels can make big money with strategic affiliate offers. Instead, I link to products aligned with the niche. Digital journals, meditation apps, self-improvement courses on ClickBank that pay $50 to $100 per sale. Imagine a single video reaching 100,000 views. Even a 0.1% conversion rate on a $50 product generates $5,000, essentially doubling the channel's earnings. This combination of high-quality content, engaging visuals, and strategic monetization is what allows small channels to make big money. The first few weeks are always quiet. Posting 3 times a week to 0 views can be discouraging, but consistency is non-negotiable. YouTube needs data to understand what your channel offers. Once you've uploaded 10 to 15 high-quality videos, the algorithm begins to notice patterns. Eventually, one video will pop, attracting a surge of views that pulls your other videos along for the ride. This compounding effect is what turns a faceless channel from a quiet side project into a scalable income engine. We are living in a unique window of history. 5 years ago, you needed a crew of 5 people to produce the quality of content that a single person can now create in an afternoon with AI. The barrier to entry has never been lower, which means the competition will only get tougher. The question isn't whether this works. The $10,000 in my bank account proves it does. The real question is whether you'll spend the next 6 months watching others build their empires, or if you'll start your own Monk channel today. Pick your niche, open ChatGPT, and stop overthinking. The AI is ready. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on building a $10,000 a month channel. Let me know in the comments what niche you're thinking of starting.